Well, this time next week, this place will be chock-a-block with people because, as the sign says, the tall ships will be here. You'll still see the ferry, but everything else will be different. This will have a header on it instead of just being built. You won't see any traffic down Marshall Street. You won't see any traffic along here. What you'll see is sails and masts. And that will be it. And that'll be the tall ships. I'm pretty sure you won't see anybody in a scissor truck either. But then again, you never know. I'll see you in the next one.